Dude, I remember one, we used to have one in our town, and he'd be like, he would hold your penis while you coughed or whatever, and he wouldn't even report anything back to you.
That's weird because he's supposed to grab your nuts.
Is he really?
Was he just grabbing straight dong?
Yeah, dude.
You just grabbing a Twinkie?
Yeah, dude, grabbing the nuts is crazy. Pull that up. Are they supposed to grab the nuts or what if you're with a doctor?
I'm pretty sure. I don't know what's supposed to come down, but I think something from your intestines like comes to your sack and it moves.
Ugh. If somebody grabs my nuts while I'm trying to fucking sneeze, I'll fucking punch them.